Hello, I'm gonna just try to explain how to make a simple texture pack, like just the basic stuff and how do you change certain files. The first thing you're gonna do is, of course, create a new folder. You can call it, I don't know, cool pack 123. Yep. So we're gonna open this. First thing you wanna do is create a folder here called assets. This is where you're gonna put all your files, all your pictures that you're gonna use. And you wanna also create a text document called pack.mcmeta. Click yes. And here you're just gonna copy something that's like generic for all packs, just something that the pack needs for it to work. So I'm gonna put this in the description. Basically, just use this, and then here you can just add it for a pack description that's gonna appear in the game. Yeah, just copy this, and then you're gonna open and paste. Save. Okay, this is done. You can also add an image for the pack. It's called the pack.png file. Probably know about it, but that's optional. You really don't need it. So yeah, so to know which file should change in the assets pack, what you wanna do is you're gonna open your .minecraft folder. Imagine you know how to do that. And then you're gonna scroll down to the versions. Inside here, you're gonna look for the version you wanna mess with, which in this case probably 116.1. Double click. You're gonna go in this file, the .jar, and open it with WinRAR. Sorry, WinRAR, can't buy you. Don't need it. So here, what you wanna do is right click this assets folder and copy files. Once it is done, you just wanna make like a random folder. You can play whatever. You can just paste it like anywhere, to be honest. Then you just paste the assets folder here. So what you're gonna use this assets folder for? You're gonna open it, and here you can just search for whatever file you want to mess with or you want to change. So for example, say you want to change the obsidian texture, you search it, and then you can just find it right here, the obsidian.png. So you can just open it with whatever program you use to change it. I use paint.net, for example. And here you can just do whatever you want. Since it's usually blocks have like all the sides of the block are the same. So in this case, for the obsidian, for example, all 6 sides of obsidian are the same. So if you change one, it's gonna change all 6. Just say, for example, you wanna put, I don't know, like, whoa, nice, and make a nav in the middle of the obsidian. So then all you need to do is click save. And also a reminder, you can change the size, change the dimensions of a block, of a texture. So the default textures are 16 by 16, 16x. You can change it to 32x or 64x, as long as it's like the same kind of the same dimensions, you know. But yeah, once you're done with editing a file, you can close this. It's gonna be right here. And now to actually change it on your texture pack, you can right click it. This is in Portuguese, but it's roughly open the file local, like open how the file is. and then you're gonna pay attention to the path that it takes until where your file is. See this obsidian, you can see it's right here. So the path is assets, Minecraft, textures, block. So using this, you're gonna go to your own texture pack. Just do this so it's easier. So start on assets. Inside the assets, you create a new folder called Minecraft. Inside Minecraft, you're gonna create a new one called textures. And inside this, you create a new one called block. And then, when you're here, you can see it's the same path. Assets, Minecraft, textures, block. You can just get the obsidian that you changed and put it right here. Then boom. So when you put this inside your resource packs folder, so inside of the .minecraft, and load this into the game, the files will already be changed. This is the same process for like most items slash blocks slash mobs. You can just some mobs are a bit more difficult than others, but they should still be fine. For example, search the dragon. You can see like the dragon's texture is a bit harder because it is larger, and it's also like not just a square, you know. So, but all you need to do again is just open the program you to edit and just edit whatever you want. You have to kind of identify which part is which on Dragon. I can see this is the head, so these sections close are all probably from the head. This looks like the feet. These are the wings, of course. So yeah, all you need to do is like open the file and then try to know which part is which, and then you can just change it. Some mobs also have like different files. For example, the dragon has a separate file just for the eyes. So if you just want to like, for example, change the color of the eyes, you can just go on that file instead. It's more like an overlay, but yeah. Just change this. So yeah, this is easy for like pretty much everything. For particles, it's a bit different. Because particles, you also have to go in a different file, a different folder, I mean, which is this one. So say for example, you want to change the particles used for the dragon's breath in the end. You have to open this. And here it says which particles, which textures it uses for dragon breath. So here it says generic 5, 6, and 7. So what you want to do is go in the textures, then in particle, you're gonna find here the particles generic 5, 6, and 7. These are kind of harder to mess with because they're used for other stuff. For example, like smoke also uses these same textures. So I don't know if you, for example, just want to recolor them, this might mess with other other textures from the game. I don't know if you can create new create new particles, like generic 8, 9, and 10, for example, and then just go on the particles folder and go on your file and change it here. This is stuff you have to mess with, because I don't really know. But yeah, if you want, you can like, for example, make new textures and change this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you like it. Hope it was useful. And I guess you know this, but when you're done with your pack, all you have to do is open .minecraft again, go in your resource packs folder, and just move it here. If it's like on your desktop, you can just move it, and then just load the game, and all your textures will be there. Or they should be. Oh yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.